Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without pulling your hair out. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Roborock Q Revo, the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums. And on the right, we have the MAM4 robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's call it the budget-friendly warrior. So let's see which one sucks the best. First up, let's talk price. The Roborock Q Revo will set you back a cool $899. That's right, folks. Almost $1,000 for a robot that does your dirty work. It better cook dinner too. Meanwhile, the MAM4 is a steal at just $196. You could buy 4 of these for the price of one Roborock and still have money left over for pizza night. So if you're on a budget, the MAM4 is already winning your heart and your wallet. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The Roborock Q Revo has 5,500 pascals of extreme suction. That's like a mini tornado in your living room. It'll suck up everything from dust to pet hair like a champ. And with dual spinning mops, no stain stands a chance. On the other hand, the MAM4 boasts 1,400 pascals. Not bad, but compared to the Roborock, it's like bringing a butter knife to a sword fight. It's still effective for everyday cleaning, but don't expect it to handle a post-party disaster. Reviewers love the Roborock for its incredible suction and ability to handle pet hair, while MAM users appreciate its effectiveness on surface-level messes and pet hair at a budget-friendly price. Let's talk features. Roborock Q Revo comes with a multifunctional dock that washes its own mop and dries it with hot air. Talk about self-sufficient. It even has a 5L water tank that automatically refills the robot's tank, giving it a mopping range of up to 4305 SQFT. Self-emptying for up to 7 weeks? You could practically forget you own it. Reviewers love its advanced features, like AI object recognition and no-go zones. Now, MAM4 doesn't come with all those bells and whistles, but it does have a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming function with a 230 milliliters water tank. Plus, it's got smart app and voice control, so you can boss it around like your own personal Cinderella. A full set of sensors for obstacle avoidance and a 2.87-inch slim design means it can sneak under furniture like a ninja. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and convenience at such an affordable price. Battery life is crucial. The Roborock Q Revo isn't just powerful, it's also long-lasting. It's like the Energizer Bunny of robot vacuums. Reviewers mention that it can handle large homes with ease. The MAM4, however, runs for 100 minutes on a single charge, which is pretty solid. And when it's done, it'll head back to its charging base like a good little soldier. Users find it effective for small to medium-sized spaces. Ease of use is another biggie. Roborock Q Revo's reactive tech obstacle avoidance and PresaSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping technology make it a breeze to use. You can literally create a 3D map of your house and watch it clean every nook and cranny. Reviews highlight its advanced mapping and obstacle avoidance capabilities. The MAM4 isn't far behind with its intelligent obstacle avoidance and multiple cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag. And hey, zigzag cleaning covers the largest area, so you'll get a lot of bang for your buck. Reviewers appreciate how easy it is to set up and use, especially for its price. Overall, reviewers are highly satisfied with the Roborock Q Revo for its powerful cleaning capabilities, advanced features, and ease of use. They find it worth the investment despite its high price. On the other hand, the MAM4 robot vacuum and mop combo is praised for providing great value at an affordable price. It's effective for everyday cleaning and is especially appreciated by pet owners and those looking for a budget-friendly option. So which one should you choose? If you want the Cadillac of robot vacuums and don't mind splurging, go for the Roborock Q Revo. It's packed with features, powerful, and practically does everything but tuck you into bed. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, the man-robot vacuum and mop combo is your go-to. It's like the underdog that could. That's it for today's showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. And remember, a clean home is a happy home, especially when you don't have to lift a finger. Bye, folks!